Welcome back to my channel, Cryptomaniac. A huge trading opportunity is going up right now between Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. I'm gonna tell you why, how, and when. Just stay tuned till the end of the video. For first thing, I wanted to cover a Cointelegraph article. Bitcoin Gold or Comedy Gold, Bitcoin Diamond launches with 4.2 billion coins. Now I wanted to read this article. A fresh new Bitcoin fork successfully debuted. I don't know how to say that. Friday, but its 4.2 billion coins are already raising questions. Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Diamond, BCD, which launched at block 495866, aims to switch from proof of work to proof of stake after mining is completed, after just 10,000 blocks. A curiously complex introductions on Bitcoin Talk November 22 paved the way for Bitcoin's latest doppelganger, which unlike previous incarnations, Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Gold has hardly anything in common with BTC at all. Now, despite claiming a 28 exchange support figure, however, little is known about what BCD aims to achieve. An anonymous developer team, along with an anonymous Bitcoin Diamond Foundation, appears to be in charge of the groundwork. Yet users' queries about accessing coins yield a standardized response. So this is nothing about an airdrop of the Bitcoin fork, but they are already mined. This Bitcoin Diamond Foundation has the 4.2 billion coins, and this seems a highly centralized thing. Those wishing to unlock their BCD balances should ask wallet providers themselves. The developers suggest, apparently hoping combined pressures will force the Bitcoin ecosystem to adapt to yet another hard fork. That process is slowly occurring with Bitcoin Gold, the previous fork of the network, which is nonetheless gaining momentum on market. Sorry. Data from CoinMarketCap shows all-time highs of $526 could well be surpassed if current enthusiasm remains. Over the past 24 hours, BTG gained more than 40%. So let's get into and check those prices out. Bitcoin Gold right now around $380 with a 3.07% deficit today. We can give a look at the chart. At the moment it has been issued $524, then a rock bottom for like 2 weeks. Big rally up again, a little pump till $500 again, like 150, 350, like three times the price, back to where it came from, and now it's building up momentum again. From $115 it jumped up to $300, guys. This is over 100% of increase in one day. Then we stabilize and consolidation around 250, 260, and jump up again over 400. And right now we are consolidating again, maybe to see another pump. Keep that in mind. Now Bitcoin Diamond is not listed, nothing. BTD is nothing, just BitCloud, BTDX. I don't know what to say about this. I'm gonna keep track on BTCD or BCD. Oh, BCD. Bitcoin Diamond, there it goes. $92. With a nice and steadily uptrend, and you see there is so little coins trending upwards against Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is now 8,548. Biggest gainers, biggest losers: Potcoin, Substratum, Open Trading, Populous, Monacoin is pumping again, and you can see this not on Open Trading, but this all are in a steady uptrend line. Mobile Gold Metal, LITECOIN, $81. Great time for LITECOIN holders, as I am. Ethereum holders, $470 almost. And I can think that we touched them already. We are watching forward to $500 and to see the next support. Walton Chain and all, like, I would say good. Wow, nice green day for 80% of this crypto space. The biggest losers actually only under the 10% of Lost, Quantstamp, Eternity, Funfair, Bidem, Nexus, and not so many like Bitcoin Cash, ADM Chain, Veritasium, $92, ARC, EOS, yeah, and we are already back into the green. Now let's get into Bitcoin Cash and why it seems to me this huge trading opportunity. We got a huge trading opportunity because we can see that anytime Bitcoin Cash goes down, Bitcoin goes up. Every time Bitcoin goes down, Bitcoin Cash goes up, and this is relative. This is due to the fact that of the mining rewards, of the block rewards, and the difficulty. Now, when the difficulty in Bitcoin raises, because all the mining pools and all the the private miners have switched to Bitcoin Cash becomes more difficult, less rewards, and everybody shifts back to Bitcoin. And they are doing this game like every once in a week, once in 2 weeks. We had a huge Telegram pumping group, one of the biggest Bitcoin Cash groups, saying on November 26th there's gonna be a huge pump. That's tomorrow from now. I'm recording this on the 25th 25th November. And why? Okay, the market is all about speculation. There is nothing about fundamentals or stuff like that. There are fundamentals that say Bitcoin Cash is a little bit better, but most of the community trusts in Bitcoin core developers and the Bitcoin that has been around now for over 9 years. And so this is why Bitcoin is still #1 in our coin market cap, and why it's, you know, the paradigm in the crypto space is Bitcoin and Ethereum and Ripple, Dash. Now Bitcoin Cash is there like an alternative to the miners to make profits. Yeah, the Bitcoin difficulty is adjusting tomorrow on the 26th of November, if I'm not wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. You got the description box below, the comment box below, the comment space. Let some comments, opinion, thoughts, questions to answer, topics to make a video about. And if you are a trader, you know, this is not an investment advice. I'm not an advisor. I'm not a consultant. I'm just a trading, like, I'm not even expert. I had 1.5 year now trading experience. I can say I had huge gains, I had big losses, but you know, overall, by time passing, I'm you know, cutting the losses to 1 or 2% of my. I'm making this risk reward ratio. If you want to know more about that, just leave it in a comment below, and I'm gonna talk about this in another video because we are yet on 8 minutes. Let's get into some Bitcoin Cash news. First of all, some news from Twitter. Bitcoin Cash has seen another major growth spurt as the altcoin's lead developer pronounces Bitcoin, like BTC, is dead. Capping what appears the Bitcoin's 191st life. Daedal Nix tweeted Tuesday as BCH began picking up steam that the August hard fork meant Bitcoin already no longer exists. Guys, Bitcoin no longer exists. Bitcoin is dead. It was split in two. There is Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Core, or Bitcoin Legacy. Deal with it, he wrote in response to a warning about BCH from online commentator. The core community was quick to respond. Charlie Shrem, nothing that Nix publicly describes himself as a pro-shitlord. A pro-shitlord. Says the lead dev of Bitcoin Cash, whose Twitter profile says professional shitlord. I'll take core over shitlord any day. There is the link if you want to access it. The continuing tension comes as BCH is on the way to doubling its USD value, as we've seen it doing it right now, since the recent loss of $947 on November 17th. Current cross-exchange data shows price approaching $1,600 per coin, yet November's second maneuver is having markedly lesser impact on Bitcoin prices. BTC is trading around 8,200 near all-time high. It has way higher than when this post has been written. Meanwhile, the strange consequences of BCH's malicious hard fork are still playing out, with the Bitcoin Classic Twitter account putting out calls for mining support. Article on CoinDesk: flying high, Bitcoin Cash rallies on Korean volume spike. Now, Bitcoin Cash is highly traded and mined in places like Korea, China, Japan, and Asia in general. Bitcoin Cash is flying high today and could gain more altitude in the near term. This morning, the Bitcoin Cash US dollar, this is 2 days ago, guys, exchange rate clocked an 11-day high of $1,623 before losing some momentum. Now, after November 23rd, 4th, and 5th, I would say after 3 days or 2.5 days, it has momentum back to go up. At the press time, the world's third largest cryptocurrency by market value is currently changing hands at 1,500, up 21% in the last 24 hours. A look at the exchange data indicates that the rally is being fueled by Korean desks. Trading volume in BCH KRW paired offer by Bithumb, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in South Korea, have gone up by 42% in the last 24 hours. Driving the rise may be today's news that South Korean financial regulators say it has no plans to regulate cryptocurrency trading. Meanwhile, the total trading volume for the last 24 hours is well above $4 billion, the highest since November 13th. A high rally indicates an active market, and that a rally is likely to be sustained. This is why I say, guys, every time the difficulty and the block rewards change, miners and mining pools and traders and investors switch quickly to Bitcoin Cash, and that's why we see this huge exponential pump, like boom, in 24 hours, because everybody is waiting for that. So if you are aware of this and you are doing it too, you can have huge profits if you buy low and sell high. Don't make the error to buy high and sell for a loss. If you buy high, just wait that we are through the consolidation and it's picking up new all-time highs, as I did with Ethereum. I'm waiting now. I was waiting since June. I bought Ethereum on eToro, the best trading social platform out there. I bought it for $370, and I was biting my fingers now for over 4 months because I had those locked up, as I don't want to sell for a loss, because I was so fucking confident that Ethereum would approach new all-time highs, because I know the fundamental behind it, and I've just been waiting for over, now it's 5 months, and we are right now at 469. If you want, I'll show you my Konto. There we go, and this is some of my virtual trading account. You can see my portfolio. My portfolio is Ripple, Silver, Ethereum, and BTC. My biggest gains in BTC, 301%. I bought this, I don't remember when. Actually, I bought this on, where is it written? On 22nd of May. Okay, of May. This is the importance of hodling. Fucking hodl. Because over months and months and months you got this huge return. Now let's go to the real portfolio, where I was struggling with Ethereum, and we see it now over here with an 18%. I bought this 12th of June, okay? And from the 12th of June we just went all the way down, and you can see I bought this for $395. On $395 I bought it at the all-time high, because I was so confident it had momentum and all that, and we saw this huge consolidation. But we know that after the consolidation, always a project with the good fundamentals, like whatever it is, NEO, OMG, LITECOIN, Dash, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever, the biggest platforms, it's normal that when a new capital comes in the market cap, in the overall Bitcoin and Ethereum and the biggest coins market cap, you know, when people take profits, they extend it to other platforms, to other projects and other ICOs and all that. This is why projects that are good enough to survive in a long-term run. Always continue hit new all-time highs like this crocodile teeth, always uptrending in a parabolic it's exponential uptrend. This is math psychology. You need to know what people think. You need to know what emotions are and how to overcome your own emotions, how to control yourself. You need to know that you should not be trading like more than 2 hours a day, because and to see if this is a green day, you continue for over 2 hours. If this is a red day where I got a lot of loss, don't make up your loss, because you will be losing more if you are not in the flaw, you know. Guys, if you got some topics, let me know. If you got some questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. I love you, Crypto Maniac. And let's check out in the next video and let me know what I should make a video about.